Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to clean copper-nickel coins. Begin by gently rinsing your coins under distilled water to remove loose dirt and debris. Use a soft, lint-free cloth to carefully pat them dry. This initial step is crucial for preserving the coin's original condition and preventing scratches. Remember, less is often more when it comes to coin cleaning, so always start with the mildest approach. For more stubborn dirt, prepare a mild solution using warm distilled water and a few drops of gentle, non-abrasive soap. Submerge your copper-nickel coins in this solution for about 10 to 15 minutes. This helps to loosen any caked-on grime without harming the metal. After soaking, use a very soft bristled brush, such as a soft toothbrush, to gently clean the coin's surface. After cleaning, it is essential to rinse your coins thoroughly under a stream of clean distilled water. Make sure to remove all traces of the soap solution, as any residue can cause discoloration over time. Once rinsed, gently pat each coin dry with a fresh, soft, lint-free cloth. Avoid rubbing, as this can cause micro-scratches and dull the coin's natural luster. Remember, never polish your copper-nickel coins, as polishing can significantly decrease their numismatic value and damage their original finish. Once clean and dry, store your coins in individual, archival-safe holders or flips to protect them from environmental damage and further handling. These steps help preserve their condition for years to come. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.